In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Carrd full 2026 tutorial. We'll start by heading to the official Carrd website and clicking Choose a Starting Point. From there, you can browse the available templates or choose a blank page if you want to build everything from scratch. Carrd organizes templates by purpose, so you can pick one that fits your goal, whether that's a profile, landing page, form, portfolio, or a sectioned one-page site. Once you find a design you like, click Select and begin customizing it. Before adding content, take a moment to get familiar with the Carrd editor. The canvas is where you'll see and arrange your website visually. The Properties panel is where you'll edit whatever element you have selected. And the main menu gives you access to tools like adding elements, previewing the site, switching to mobile view, and publishing. To build your page, click Add Element and choose from options like text, image, button, or icons. After placing an element, use the Properties panel to adjust the content and styling, then click Done when you're finished. Start with your hero section, since that's the first thing visitors will see. This should include your name or business name, a clear headline, a short description, a main call to action button, and a relevant image. Next, add your services. You can use text, icons, or columns to organize them clearly. Keep descriptions short and easy to scan. If you have work samples, create a portfolio section with your best examples. Upload images or screenshots, add short descriptions, include results when possible, and link to live projects if they're available. After that, add an About section. Keep it short and personal by explaining who you are, what you do, who you help, your experience, and your main skills. Then add testimonials using text elements and include client or business names only when you have permission. For your contact area, add a button with clear text and connect it to your preferred destination, such as a contact form or booking page. Then test it carefully. If you want your one-page site to feel like it has multiple pages, add section breaks using a control element, name each section, and link buttons to those sections with hashtag style links. Once your content is in place, customize the design by adjusting the page width, spacing, alignment, background fonts, and colors. Keep everything visually consistent. Then switch to mobile view to make sure text, images, and buttons look good and nothing is cut off. Finally, preview the entire site, test every link, review your images, and fix any spelling mistakes. Add your site title, description, favicon, and share image. Then click Publish, choose your URL, review the settings, and publish the site. If needed, you can also connect a custom domain and explore advanced features like forms, video, audio, widgets, custom code, iframes, analytics, and UTM tracking.